Okay, so we have been here a couple of days, but we figured we would show you guys our room. So let's have a look. Okay, so first thing you're going to notice when you walk in this room is that we have fantastic aircon. It is nice and cold in here. The floor is completely tiled, so it's nice and cold on your feet, and the aircon is going constantly. You have a remote, so you can control the temperature and how cold it is in here. But over to your left, there are two beautiful chairs if you want to sit down and have a cup of coffee or have a snack with a nice little table. I'm going to apologize now for the mess. We've only been here a couple of days and it's just, we've kind of exploded everywhere, but you get the idea. Over here we have a massive bed. It is so comfortable to sleep on. I have had some of the best night sleeps of my life in this bed. And then you come over here. There's this beautiful buffet with a nice TV. Every day they replace the water. It is complimentary, and then you've just got a kettle, some tea, some coffee, and some cups, and then some mess from Sam and Ryan. And then over here you have a desk which Ryan has taken over. This is his little mini office. Hello. Oh, that one doesn't want to open. Bathroom. So just turn on the lights. They followed through with the tiling in here. It does get a little bit slippery, so you have to make sure that you put down towels. And then through here, if I turn on the light, it's going to be bad.
That's alright.
Yeah. Through here, we just have a beautiful bath and shower. The water pressure is great, which is really nice. You wouldn't think that you would want a hot shower here, but when you're in a 16-degree room, a hot shower is fantastic. Welcome to the debrief part of this video, where we are going to tell you all about this hotel, the features, the benefits, the cool things about it, along with a couple of things that we have found in Bali so far.
Overall, we are very happy with this resort. We have been here just over a week now. We have another week to go. It's a beautiful place to stay. There are so many things to do. We've got a big, beautiful pool here with a bar inside the pool, which we have yet to use, but it looks pretty fun.
Oh, there's these three little areas. There's a fish feeding area where they've got a bunch of koi fish under a bridge, and every morning they fill a container beside the bridge with fish food so you can feed the fish. And then there's a little bird feeding area. You don't hand feed the birds, but it's cool to watch them hang out and eat the food. And then there's a squirrel feeding area. We have yet to see the squirrels, but I have been trying every single day. Apparently they come out more at night when there's less people around. There's a beautiful tree in the squirrel feeding area. The whole hotel is built around this tree. It's absolutely stunning.
On top of that, guys, I just want to say the staff here are amazing. They look after you. They always say hello, which is a nice thing. And yeah, highly recommend this place.
Guys, the location is absolutely fantastic. It is right on Kuta beach, so you literally walk out of the hotel and you're at the beach. There's a lot of street food vendors out the front, which is really nice at night if you're going to go and try some Balinese street food. We've had nothing but success with those. There's a couple of Starbucks just down the road. There's a massive mall right next door to it. It's super central. So a couple of like first impression style things that we've noticed since we've been in Bali. One, it is hot. Like, we came here in the dry season, so Bali's only got a dry season or a rainy season. We came here in the dry season. It's only rained for about 30 seconds, like twice. But it is so hot and it's so humid. Like, you walk out of your hotel room and you're immediately sticky. It's more of an excuse to go to the pool, but it is pretty hot and pretty humid.
I'm sweating right now.
Yeah.
It is hot, guys. and we knew it was going to be hot, but nothing.
Not this hot.
Yeah.
This is nuts.
But that's a good thing. If you like warm weather
and an excuse to live in the pool.
Yeah, that's right.
It's perfect.
We knew that Bali was starting to get busier. We knew that the tourists were starting to come, Although I was quite surprised with how many people there are here. It's great.
Yeah.
It's great for the economy. You know, these videos are going on YouTube. Obviously, we watched a lot of vloggers prior to coming here, and every week we would see it get busier and busier. But yeah, overall quite surprised with how many people were here. It's a fantastic thing to see, really.
Totally, and it's good for Bali. We came here because we love Bali so much and we wanted to help rebuild it. We're a drop in the ocean, but we still wanted to help, and it's really nice to see the amount of tourists and people that have come back so quickly, and you can just see the gratitude on the locals' faces when you buy the street food or you get a massage or like luxurious things, but they're just so grateful that people are coming back. So absolutely, if you're wanting to go anywhere anytime soon, definitely come to Bali for sure.
Overall, you know, we've only been here a week. We're going to continue to make videos once a week on Fridays. They will most likely come out. There are some exciting things happening in the next few weeks, but you have to wait and see. But that wraps up this video.
Yeah.
Anything else you want to talk about?
I might really quickly touch on the food.
Yeah, good point.
There's a lot of people out there that are you'll hear horror stories of people getting Bali belly and things like that. But I think a lot of that is just down to decision making. We've eaten a lot of street food since being here. Pork, chicken, like meats that you typically stay kind of away from if you're not cooking them yourself or in a restaurant. But we have been perfectly healthy the entire time. We haven't been sick once, touch wood. But it's so good to try. Everyone's really grateful that you're trying it, and it's delicious and so cheap. You'll see it in our next video, but you can get a lot of food for not a lot of money. But yeah, stay tuned for that. That's next week's video, so keep an eye out for that one.
Totally. Other than that, guys, I think we're pretty much done here. I hope you enjoyed the little tour of the hotel.
Yeah.
And our first impressions of Bali. We'll see you in a week's time.
Yeah, don't forget to definitely subscribe. Our subscriber count is going up quite quickly, which is really nice to see. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe, comment down below if there's anything that you would like to see or know about in Bali that we can maybe make a video about. But yeah, we'll see you guys in the next one.
Peace.
Oh, that's so spicy. Oh no.